So for today's video I'm going to be showing you everything I received for Christmas this year, 2018. As I've done one of these videos now for like the past 3, maybe 4 years, so I thought what better way to keep up tradition than to do another one for you guys this year. This was really requested and I just want to say I'm not trying to brag or show off or boast in any way. I'm really grateful for everything I received and I hope you all had a lovely Christmas day too. So I don't want to make this intro really long and winded, so without further ado I'm going to show you everything I received for Christmas. So I did get a stocking this year. It's pretty full right now of loads of lovely things. I'm not going to go through this. I did do a whole video last year, but yeah, I just did get my stocking. There was things like lip balms in there, face masks, jewellery, and a whole lot of chocolate. So yeah, that was kind of what was in my stocking this year, but I thought I wouldn't go through that all for you now. So starting off, my main present this year was the Apple Pencil. This is for like your iPads basically. I have the iPad 6th generation which I bought back in July, and when I found out it was compatible with the Apple Pencil I kind of thought it would be such a good idea to get one. So I did ask for this for Christmas, but I wasn't sure if I was going to get it or not. But yeah, I opened this on Christmas Day. I saw it right at the back of the tree. So for those of you wondering, it just looks like this. This is obviously like the first generation one for my iPad, and I've been absolutely loving using it. It's so useful for things like note taking, drawing, you know, it's just perfect when you don't want to use your fingers if they're sticky. So it just comes with the pencil, and then in here there's like the charger and a spare tip. So I'm really thankful. So thank you Mum and Dad for this. I wasn't expecting it and I've been having so much fun with it already. Used it the whole of Christmas Day, so absolutely loved this. Second thing I received was from Pandora, and I didn't really ask for anything this Christmas other than that. I like mentioned a few things, but I didn't really have anything in mind, so it was a bit of a shock when I saw this. But I did say I'd like to get a new Pandora ring, and my mum chose out this one for me. So I'm not 100% sure of the name of it, but I'll put it on screen. But it just looks like this. It's kind of like another bobbly one, and then it's got like a big bolt. I don't think you can see that very well, but I'll do a close-up for you. But yeah, it's really pretty and it kind of just matches in with the other two. I got this one last year, and then the one underneath it I got for my birthday last year, so I kind of wanted another one to add to the collection, and it just fits on this hand perfectly. So now I've got a little collection growing of Pandora rings, and I wasn't expecting that. I opened the bag and I was like, what have you got? So thank you so much for this, and I'm not going to say thank you after every gift, but you know I am grateful for absolutely everything. Moving on, I then received 2 Jack Wills gift sets this year. I got a couple last year and I absolutely love Jack Wills gift sets at Christmas. They're the perfect thing, and last year I did get the sleep time one. If you watched last year's video you would have seen that, so I thought a good idea to update that this year, so I did mention it. So in here you get like a bed shirt from Jack Wills. This year it's pink and it's really lovely. Last year it was blue and I've worn it all the time. Like, it's one of those things you can just wear all year round. And then it also came with a body spray which smells amazing. I've never had anything from this kind of Jack Wills range before and I'm absolutely loving it. And then also you get the bag, which is perfect for like a night away. Like I said, it comes with it in there, so you can just put your pyjamas and some toiletries in there and you're good to go. So I'm absolutely in love with that. I can't wait to like wear the bed shirt. And then the other one I got, I had no idea about, and it comes in this lovely like maroon burgundy kind of coloured bag, and then it's got a nice gold zip, and then inside there's 3 products, again from the same kind of scent range as the body spray. So you get a body lotion, a body wash, and then also a body scrub. I'm a big fan of like Jack Wills products like this, so I can't wait to use these in the shower and afterwards. And again, the bag is really lovely. It's a really good size, like wash bag or even a makeup bag. Really, it's like a really decent size. Next one I received was actually the first thing I opened, and it's these set of lights, and they're actually like little light boxes and you can change what they say. I haven't got them out yet, but yeah, they're like personal LED string lights, and as you can see like behind me on my bed I have some Christmas ones, so I think these are going to be perfect like to use all year round. And I do have a light box up on my top shelf which you can't see right now, so I think this is going to match in perfectly. And yeah, this was the first thing I opened and they are so cool. I haven't ever seen anything like this before that I received as well. I did know I was getting this because I had asked. Every year I get a new calendar, so this year I went for the black cats calendar, and on the back you can just see like each month there's pictures of black cats. Like, look how cute that is. Like, I just love black cats. We have two, so that's going to replace the New York one behind me for 2019, and I just think a calendar is like the perfect thing to have. It's something I ask for every year just because it organises my whole life for me. The next thing I received, I actually pointed out to my mum because I think it's really cool, and it's this little tray from Debenhams. And you may be thinking like, why would you want a tray? But basically your iPad slots in here and then it will stand up, so when you're like sat on your bed or whatever and you're watching on your iPad or you're using it, you can just put it on your lap, which is so much better than having it like flop down all the time. And you can also put like your keyboard on here, so when you like typing away, the iPad's standing up. And I just think this was so useful, and they're in Debenhams if you want to get one. But yeah, me and my brother both got one of these. You can use it like either way round. It's brilliant. So if you are like me and you use your iPad all the time, this is perfect. So I can't wait to just use this and not have to worry about my iPad flopping all over the place anymore. And then the other thing that I received is this book, and this is all about my camera. So last year I bought myself the Canon EOS 700D, and obviously I've had this camera for a year, and all I really do in it is like just take thumbnails and film. And I kind of want to get into like a more photography side with it and actually learn how to do a few more things with my camera. So I saw this book on Black Friday and did point it out, and inside it's just got so much information about my camera, and I just think it's going to be really useful. The next thing I received I really wasn't expecting at all because they're quite expensive, but I received a pair of Adidas tracksuit bottoms. I live in tracksuit bottoms around the house. I have a couple of pairs from Primark, but I knew I did really want a really nice pair that I could probably get away with wearing to college, and my mum picked up these ones, and they literally just have the Adidas logo on, and then they're long and black, and as you can see the lighting's gone crazy, and then they're just cuffed at the bottom. I really like these. I haven't tried them on just yet, but I'm sure they will fit. They're nice and cinched at the waist as well. They're slim and they're a good length, and I really can't wait to wear these. I'm absolutely in love with them. They're so soft, and I can just tell they're going to be really, really comfortable. I then received a little travel wallet from my mum and dad. This is from Cath Kidston, and basically it's just for like train tickets and stuff in, because I get the train to college every day, and I currently have like a National Rail one, but obviously my mum thought it'd probably be a bit nicer to get a really nice one. So yeah, it just opens up. It's got 3 slots, so I can put like bus pass, train ticket, all sorts of stuff in there, and it's navy blue, so it kind of matches the colour of my coat as well. And then the final two things from my mum and dad are these little makeup sets. So the first one is the NYX professional makeup. It just comes with the ultimate shadow palette, a lip lingerie, and a liquid liner. I had no idea I was getting these. I hadn't asked them. It's called the Ride or Die set, and the colours in this palette absolutely look amazing, and I've only ever had like one thing from NYX, so I'm really excited to try this out. So my mum did a good choice in picking that out. And then the other one I received is from Sleek, and it's called Get Into the Nude, and again it's got an eyeshadow palette in it and a mascara, and I've only ever tried like a Sleek lipstick, so I'm really excited again to try these products. So mum, you did very good with these. So like I said, that was everything from my parents. I'm just going to run through the final few gifts I received from a few other people. From our family friend Susie, I did receive a Topshop voucher, so thank you so much for that. And then I also got this really nice little notebook. It's got 3 different colours, and I can't wait to use this. I'm just going to pop this in my bag, I think, for college, and then I can just make notes and things like that wherever I go. And then I also received this lovely Cath Kidston water bottle. I'm a big fan of Cath Kidston stuff, and I think this is so pretty. It's going to be perfect because right now I'm just using like a Tesco one that you replace that every week. So this is perfect. It's a reusable bottle, and it came so nicely wrapped. Like Cath Kidston know what they're doing. But yeah, this is a really, really lovely water bottle. I haven't had a good, decent water bottle in such a long time. And then from my grandma, I got some money, so thank you for that. And I also got this cute little hand warmer set, and you can reuse these as well, which I think is just going to be perfect because my hands are always cold. So thank you for the little hand warmer. And then finally, thank you to my cousins and my auntie and uncle in America for my Amazon voucher. I cannot wait to get spending on Amazon. And also thank you to Victoria, who had me for Secret Santa. I'll put a picture on the screen which got me. She got me one of the Naomi Smart gift sets from Boots. I've kind of opened it, but it came with like a body wash, body lotion, a body spray and some hairbands, and I've already been using all of that. That's why it's opened already, but thank you for that. I absolutely love it. That is everything that I received for Christmas this year. I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone who got me anything, and I hope you all did have a lovely day, whether you celebrate Christmas or not. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like by hitting the thumbs up button, and if you are new to the channel, you just discovered the video, make sure to subscribe down below. I do a whole range of stuff from beauty, fashion, lifestyle, revision, studying, all that kind of stuff, so make sure to subscribe if you are new, and I will see you all in a few days, probably with another video. Bye!